Hello everyone, today we will make this very beautiful crochet earring design. For making this, I am using 8 number pearl cotton thread, pendant pearl, stud earring hook and jump ring and white small beads, glue. I am using 11 number crochet hook, scissor, plier and starch. Let's start with magic ring. One chain, one single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet and fifth single crochet. So total 5 single crochet. Now tight the magic rings thread, connect to the first single crochet by slip stitch. Now one chain in next stitch, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. In next stitch, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. So I will make 2 single crochet in each stitch and get 10 single crochet all around and complete my work. I have completed my round by making 10 single crochet all around. Now connect to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 1 triple crochet, 2 time thread on hook, pass through 2 loops, again pass through 2 loops, again pass through 2 loops and 1 chain and pass through these 2 loops and make a slip stitch. Again 1 triple crochet in same stitch, one chain on top, pass through these 2 loops and slip stitch. Now one more triple crochet in next stitch, one chain, pass through these 2 loops and slip stitch. Again 1 triple crochet in same stitch, pass through 2 loops, again pass through 2 loops, again pass through 2 loops, one chain, pass through these 2 loops and slip stitch on top and chain 1, 2, 3, connect in same stitch by slip stitch. So we will get this type of petals. Now I will move in next stitch by slip stitch, again chain 1, 2, 3, 1 triple crochet in same stitch, pass through 2 loops, again pass through 2 loops, again pass through 2 loops, 1 chain, pass through these 2 loops and slip stitch on top, again triple crochet in same stitch, pass through 2, pass through 2 loops, pass through 2 loops, 1 chain, pass through these 2 loops and slip stitch on top, 1 triple crochet in next stitch, 1 chain, pass through these 2 loops and slip stitch on top, again 1 triple crochet in same stitch, 1 chain, pass through these 2 loops and slip stitch. Now 3 chain, 1 2 3, connect in same stitch by slip stitch. So we will get these type of petals. I will make total 5 petals by following same pattern and complete my work. I have completed my work by making 5 petals all around. Now I will cut the thread. Now I will apply starch back side of this flower. Now I will fix the stones in center of flower with the help of glue. Now we will make a circle. Let's start with magic ring. Chain 1 2 3, 1 double crochet in ring, second double crochet in ring, third double crochet in ring, I will make 12 double crochet in this ring and complete my work. I have completed 12 double crochet. Now tie the magic rings thread and connect to the third chain by slip stitch and cut the thread. Now I will add jump ring and pendant pearl. Here it is. Now I will add stud earring hook here and apply glue. And place it back side of flower. And let it dry. Now our earrings ready. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.